Hello everyone, welcome to Infocomm 2026. My name is Hao from Gold Luck LED. We are the LED manufacturers with over 30 years experience. Let's show you some our new technology about our screen.
Is this 4K?
Yeah, this over 4K. This new technology is MIP 0.9. This is our all-in-one technology machine, and this can be up, down, and foldable. Let me show you how it works.
You click there. Oh, it's motorized.
We can be foldable and up and down.
Wow. There's a little motor there.
Yes. And the size is 135 inches.
Wow. And is it very expensive or it's okay?
I think for it's for some home.
But MIP is the top. Oh, it's going down also.
Yeah. It's convenient for rental for movings. They have a flight case too.
It even looks cool when there's stuff in the back.
It be 14 little. So
digital signage version.
Yeah. So is that for convenient to the flight case?
Is it cost less than 135K? I'm joking, but you don't say the price, huh?
Yeah, we have some.
A little bit expensive, right? What is this one?
This one also the MIP 0.9. This is brighter. This one
more bright?
Yeah, more bright.
Also 4K?
Yeah, 4K. We have some options. We also have the lower resolutions. We also have the smaller size. It's around 105 inches.
Nice. And what is this big installation here? Can you walk there and explain what is behind you?
Yeah, sure. This is our floor LED, and this is the rental LED screen wall. This is 1.9 GOB. And this is a flexible 2.6. So we can use the street wall and the flexible together. So nice. We can produce good invitations.
Can we look behind how it is? This is very strong also?
Yeah, we can dance on that. And it can hold over 5,000 pressures.
It's possible to have a sensor to see where people touch to change the content?
We have the interactive floor, but
option?
not this one, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is a regular one.
And if we look behind, what can you talk about here?
Oh, this is our ground support. It's very easy for setup. For the rental activities, events, we use it very quickly to set up the LED screen.
What is this CPU here?
This Nova Star processor.
Nova Star run everything?
Yes.
Nice. What is this?
And this is the LED posters. The pixel is 1.8. And this is our DJ booth, which is outdoor P3.9 and is over 5,000 nits.
Nice. That's very bright.
Yeah, it's also foldable. It's very easy to convenient to move.
Nice. And more all around?
Yeah, this one is also a new technology is a textured LED screen. We can customize.
Can I touch?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So textured
modules. We can customize the different pictures.
In the mirror also?
Yeah, this is a mirror. This is a wall. And we also have the picture Mona Lisa.
Nice. So Mona Lisa is with AI, with the LEDs. Nice.
Yeah.
So where's your factory?
Oh, our factory is in Shenzhen, China.
And you have customers all over the world?
Yeah, we have local inventories in California, and we also have the warehouse in Seattle and the Miami cities. We also have the warehouse in Vancouver, Canada.
How big is your market share? Are you top 10?
It's hard to say.
New company or old company or?
Our factory is over 30 years. It's from 1997, but our local companies is over 10 years.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.